message of thanks to all our veterans, all our service members. We thank you in the here and now of your service. Long after you leave the place you once served,